Right now, highways across the Sunflower State are starting to reopen after the weekend blizzard. Crews with the Kansas Department of Transportation have been working nonstop for days. KDOT closed some major roads over the weekend because they weren't in great shape, and they were also trying to get ahead of the snow piles. After spending all day plowing snow, crews are starting to scrape off the layer of ice that's underneath. Now, KDOT Area Superintendent David Studebaker tells 27 News they're trying to make the safest road for drivers.
We don't want anybody to get hurt. We don't want them stranded. So we're doing the best we can. We're working 24 hours a day. We are very much committed to the public, and we're doing everything we can to make it as good as we can.
Crews will work into the night, and he expects vast improvements to the highway conditions by tomorrow afternoon.